Namaste students, welcome to RSV group of schools. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of class 5. The name of the chapter is The Movement of the Earth. In this video, you can understand about the shape of the earth, more about globe and rotation of the earth. First of all, we need to know what is the shape of the earth. Long ago, people thought that it was flat like a coin. Indian astronomer Aryabhat and Bhaskar discovered that the earth is a sphere and it spins on its axis. People did not believe them for a long time. The great explorer and astronomers proved them the earth is spherical in shape. Look at this picture. It is just like a ball. It means earth is actually spherical in shape. Because of its spherical shape, we cannot see entire earth at a one time. So that is why it is our basic problem. So how to represent the earth in front of anyone? To solve this problem, geographer created the globe. To make the study of this huge spherical earth easy and on a smaller scale. Now let's talk about globe. A globe is a model of the earth with ocean, sea and continent shown on a smaller scale. Now look at the globe. It spins around a rod which has two ends. This is the North Pole and this is a South Pole. This road is not straight. All of you understood? This road is not straight, but it is slightly tilted. It correctly represents the shape of the earth. In the same way, the earth also spins or rotate on an imaginary line called an axis. This line is called an axis. This is our North Pole and this is our South Pole. The top of the axis is the North Pole and the bottom of the axis is the South Pole. The earth is tilted at an angle. This is the axis of the earth. The earth has tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the perpendicular. This is known as the inclination of the earth axis. Now all of you understood? It means the angle at which the earth tilted is known as inclination of the earth axis. Suppose if the earth does not tilted, what happens? Then we will never see different seasons. Now, the earth also spins or rotates on an imaginary line. It is called an axis. The top of the northmost point is known as North Pole and the bottom is the South Pole. I repeat again, it is tilted an angle of 23.5 degrees from the perpendicular. This is known as the inclination of the earth axis. Now we discuss about the movements of the earth. Our earth takes two types of movements. First one is rotation and second one is revolution. Rotation, it means spinning around itself like a top known as rotation and revolving around the sun known as revolution. Look at this picture. You can understand about the rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution of the earth. Now we discuss about the rotation of the earth. Look at this picture. Sometimes see the sun in front of us and half of the day the sun is not there at all. And then again in the next morning it's come back. Why did this happen?
That is because our earth is not standing stationary. Our earth is not standing stationary. It is slanting and rotating all the time. Our earth rotates from west to east. Our earth rotates from west to east. It takes 24 hours. How much time to complete one rotation? 24 hours to complete one rotation. And rotation of the earth causes day and night. So rotation of the earth, rotation refers to spinning of the earth on its own axis. It means our earth rotates on its own axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth rotates from west to east. Rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now look at this picture. You can understood about the rotation of the earth. Look at this bowl. The side of the bowl facing the torch receive light while the opposite side remains dark. Similarly, while the earth rotates around its axis, only half of its surface faces the sun. All of you understood? While the earth rotates around its axis, that half of the earth is getting the sunlight, while half of it is not getting the sunlight. Because half of the earth is facing the sun, while the other half is in opposite direction. So rotation of the earth causes day and night. So look at this picture. This is our axis. This part is faces the sun, so day, and this part is not face the sun, it is night. So the part facing the sun will have day and the part opposite of the sun will have night. So sometimes you can see when we are moving in a train, the object outside such as the trees, building seem to be moving in an opposite direction, but in reality they are still while the train moves. Similarly, the sun's position is fixed. It is the earth that rotates from west to east. I hope all of you understood about the rotation of the earth. So dear student, go through this video properly and try to learn all the points which I have told you in this video about the shape of the earth, more about globe and rotation of the earth. Thank you.